In this video, you'll learn how to sign into your Samsung account on your Samsung Galaxy S26. So you're going to start by opening the Settings app, and then under Settings, you're going to go ahead and select Sign in to your Galaxy. From here, choose in your sign-in method, whether it's Google, an email or phone number, QR code, or if you don't have an account, you can choose to create account. If you've forgotten your details, you can select Forgot ID or Forgot Password. Once you've chosen your sign-in method, simply go ahead and select it, and then you will be prompted to agree to the terms and condition as well as privacy notice. And then there's other options that you can agree to, such as customization service and offline finding. And when you're happy, just tap on agree and confirm your two-step verification. And once you've done that, you should be successfully signed in to your Samsung account. You may be also prompted to get a verification code on your saved phone number or wherever it is you're supposed to get it from. So you just go ahead and send the code and verify your login. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.